everyone. I have my Southern Skeins Advent for 2025, and I thought I would share it with you. So why don't we take a look at what's inside? So the box, first off, is very, very pretty. Love the box. I mean, the colors and everything. Now, the Advent is supposed to be vintage Christmas and represent the coloring on the box. So, it's got a magnetic closure right there. And we open it up. And you can see how beautiful it is. Now, I ordered mine in DK weight. So, I will have DK weight yarns. I have a card that I'll be showing you momentarily. And in order to do the pattern, I have to open box 25 for the main skein. And of course, we'll open box 1. So I'm going to pull out box 1. And I will pull out box 25. Here we go. I'm going to put those boxes back in to keep everything in order. This is the card that came in the box. So it's Vintage Holiday Lane. And it tells us all about, let me make sure that I cover everything I'm supposed to. So it tells us all about it. Right there, to scan the QR code for the Activity Hub, download the patterns, join the Discord, make a long group, enjoy festivities, and don't forget to open the box each day. So, there you go. It's really nice. So, I've already downloaded the patterns. There's a knit pattern, and there is a crochet pattern. So, I guess we will start with day 1. I don't like that I have to open 25. I think I would have made whatever's in 25 day 1. But that's me. So, this one is beautiful. This is day 1. Love the colors in it. Absolutely pretty. So there's day 1. And I'm going to close the box back up so I can put it back in the box. And of course I have to open day 25, and we shall see, because you have to work the main skein with the mini skeins. And this is stunning. Oh, look at the colors in there. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Love that. So that is the main skein. That is lovely. Love that. And there's more in the box. I love that. So get that out. And I'll close this up because I'm going to put this back in the box to keep everything nice and neat in the box. So we have this. And there's stuff in there. So, let me start here. And, oh, cool. That's it. Make sure that's everything in the bag. Okay. So, we have on a beaded chain. This is for sizing your needles. That's nice. And then on another beaded chain, this is a gauge. So this is for measuring your gauge, and it is branded Southern Skeins. That's nice. As we go further in here, we have a little bag in here. So this little bag, these are cute. This is a needle stopper. You put this at the end of your knitting needles. Come on. Come on. There he is. I have 2 of them. So you put that at the end of your knitting needles so that your yarn doesn't come off. So there's 2. So so I have 2 Santas to put at the end of my knitting needles. And there is a card in here. The card says, what does it say? Whoop. It says Happy Christmas, Stitch Stoppers. Okay. It just doesn't say other than, yeah, it doesn't really say much about it. Okay, just for Southern Skeins, Stitch Stoppers. So that's really cute. So I'm going to put the stitch stoppers in here. That way I won't lose them. Alright, and we have one more thing in our bag. And this is a bag that says Southern Skeins. Like that. You could probably keep my minis in these. So, oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, nice. This is nice. This is a yarn minder. Oh, this is beautiful. So, that is the yarn minder. Look how pretty that is. Very, very pretty. And this is the part that goes in it. I want to hold it upside right. And then it says Southern Skeins. So you hold that and this goes through it like that. And then it has a wrist band. So we'll take and clip this on here. Come on. There we go. So it clips on there. So you put your cake of yarn on here. You can wear it on your wrist, and you can either knit or crochet with your yarn on there. That is super cool. So, love this. This is brilliant. Absolutely love that. And, of course, our gauges and our stitch stoppers and, of course, our beautiful yarns that I can't wait to start working with. So I will probably wind these up and start working with them. Don't mind the fact that you'll see quite a few videos where I'm wearing the same thing. I am going to batch record these to make it easier for me. So please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Love you guys. Bye.